Hi guys, today I want to show you what I got from Repellent Hair, which is an Ayurvedic Botanical set of shampoo, conditioner and oil, which helps with hair growth. I'll start with the oil on my root and massage it into my scalp to stimulate it and work it in. I clip my hair up and let it marinate for a few hours, and on the rest of the hair I use their brown oil, which you can check out later. Now it's time to wash it all out, and I'm using the Ayurvedic Botanical shampoo. It smells fresh and sweet. Check out the benefits below. I use a generous amount and massage it into my scalp and use it twice to make sure the oil gets out. Then move on to the conditioner, and once again I use a generous amount and cover all my hair and let it sit. After rinsing it, I move on to the rice spray, which was another bundle I got. And then I use my hairdryer with a diffuser for my curls. I didn't put much into my hair this time in case I like to restyle it. This is only my second time using this bundle, and I can't wait to show you the results in a few weeks, and I'm excited to see the change in my hair. If you're like me and love to try new things to improve your hair, check them out and give us a follow. See ya!